Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to delete your recent call history on your iPhone. This is useful if you want to clear missed calls, outgoing calls, or your entire call log. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. Then tap the Recents tab at the bottom of the screen. To remove one call, swipe left on the call entry you want to delete. Then tap Delete. If you want to remove more than one call, tap Edit in the top left corner. You can now tap the red minus icon beside individual calls to delete them. To clear your entire call history, tap Clear in the top right corner. Then select Clear All Recents. After deleting the calls, your recent call list will automatically update. The calls you removed should no longer appear. And that's how to delete recent call history on iPhone. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more iPhone tutorials.